Okay, here we go. I believe it to be a 1917 7 horsepower Majestic. Took me 4 years to get it to it runs. Had to take the bottom half up to Augusta, Maine. Only person I knew that had a vertical milling machine. Bought it out, re-sleeved it. Re-grooved the piston, put spacers in. It's a pretty good runner. It starts first pullover every time. Wish I had a better video, but I can take it outside at some point. But this is from Jim Presley. You sent me the decal, and it's pretty psychedelic. So we hand painted the decal. I don't know. Looks pretty good. It's all hand painted on there, both sides of the water hopper. This is a 2-piece water hopper. I rebuilt the magneto, and pretty good runner. Pretty good runner for a 7-horse Majestic.